So you just ordered our hook and loop mag mount to go with your hook and loop holster kit, and now it's time to install. So this is a lot. So this is just what it'll look like when you unbag. So this is what it'll look like when you unbag your components. Of course, this is my mag, move that off to the side, but you will have one Tegris hook-backed plate, 3 screws, 3 captures, and 3 washers. And then of course, your magazine. And of course, your mag carrier. So you'll see here, we have a half moon shaped mount, and that coincides with this plate. This plate's cut to hold other things as well, but for the sake of this video, I'm gonna show you guys where to mount your 3 screws to get this mounted and into your bag. So to get this started, you're gonna use this hole, and this hole. So take your capture. You can hold it in place lightly with the rubber washers, and you wanna get these 3 placed appropriately, and we can move these around later when it's time to screw them in. So get these placed. And once you have those roughly in place, line them up with this plate, and you're gonna use these 3 holes. It makes an L. So just keep that in mind, and then line them up. You might have to slide these in the channel a little bit. I nailed the placement there, so I can just place this on top. Apply some back pressure to your capture, and then get your screws started so everything gets held. Reminder that you will definitely want to use some Loctite or Vibrotite VC3, and make sure that you get some on all of your screws. For the sake of example, I'm just gonna get these in, but definitely use your Loctite. And then once you have all of these in, go ahead and snug them up. You don't have to be shy. You definitely want those to stay in place. And then take your magazine and make sure everything fits, everything's held in place. And then as a reminder, all of our mag carriers have the MRD, so set your attention with the supplied Allen wrench and make sure that your mag retention is set appropriately. And finally, you can take your bag of choice. This is the Eberly Stock Sling. Open that up and place it wherever you want. Those go into the bag, these come out, and they're not going anywhere once you get them planted down. But we have our holster, 2 mags, and of course you get to pick your colors. But hope that install helps, and we'll see you guys next time.